Hello, and welcome back to another Sunday Sector Review, where we like to say Sundays are for sectors. This past week was Thanksgiving week, so we had a nice holiday, and I hope you all had one as well, spending it with loved ones and friends and family, and having a good time getting full off your favorite Thanksgiving meal. Now, back to the market. This week's volatility will come from what we have this week. Monday, we have manufacturing PMI. Tuesday, we have no red folders or orange folders, but we do have FOMC members speaking. Wednesday, we have ADP non-farm employment change. Also, services PMI. Thursday, we have unemployment claims. Friday, we have core PCE, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectation. The new candles that will be opening for this week are the 2-day, the 3-day, the 4-day, the 6-day, the 12-day, the weekly, of course, and the monthly. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is the last month of the year. If you have made it this far, congratulations, because this has been one for the books. So, without further ado, let's get into these sectors. Starting off with the VIX on the monthly, we are a bearish shooter on the month. We are back below this trend line that I've been having here forever. We are back close to tapping that 1528 again and that 1456, those old PTs that I had now, and the sweep. So now I would pull this back and have this be the target. So 1410. We go down to the 12-day. The weekly first. 2 down on the weekly. 12-day is a bearish outside 12 days, so we'll be looking for a 3-2 down continuation. Possibly 6-day is a 3-2 down on the 6-day, so looking for the continuation. 4-day, 2-2 continuation to the downside. 3-day, 2-2 continuation to the downside. 2-day, same daily. Outside bearish daily on the VIX. Time frame continuity is primarily bearish. Looking forward to find, if we can't find nothing on Monday or Tuesday open, looking forward to bounce off at least 1528. This has been a level of support, so looking for 1528 as first target. If not, if we lose that, then we're looking at 1420, 1410. SPY on the monthly, we are a hammer on the month. Now, I would like to show something about this hammer on the month. Because it is at the top of a Brownian formation, this could be considered a hanging man candle, which is a bearish candle. So I'm going to show y'all that. I'm going to put that right here. See, this is what we have here right now on SPY. Shout out to my girl Rose. Yep, so this is what we have here right here on SPY. So although this can look bullish, this also can be a bearish sign. So we're gonna look out for that, okay? Alright. Where were we? Weekly. The weekly did go up on the weekly, a nice close on the weekly. All-time highs are still at 689.70, looking to push there. 12-day, same bullish hammer. could possibly start a downtrend, so we will be looking out for that. 6 day, a fail 2 down on the 6 day. 4 day, we have displacement to the upside, 2 up on the 4 day, looking to take out these highs. 3 day, 3-2 up on the 3 day, 2 day, 2-2 continuation to the upside on the 2 day. The daily 2-2 continuation on the daily time frame. Continuity is strong to the upside, so we will play what we see until things start to reverse. So we are looking bullish until otherwise to the upside for SPY. Ooh. Yes, pretty much the same, so I'll run through it. Again, watching out for this monthly candle for ES, so keep that in mind. Although I think, look, did we just see SPY go 2 up? No, we barely missed it. Okay, okay. So down to the weekly, we are a 2 up on the weekly on ES. The 12-day closed as an inside 12-day. The 6-day closed as a 2-2 continuation to the upside. The 4-day, a 3-2 continuation to the upside. 3-day, 2-2 continuation to the upside. 2-day, the same. Oh, and the daily, the same as well. We are looking to take out the monthly open first at 68.78 and take out the monthly high at 69.53. So watch out for those targets. NQ is a tad bit more bearish than ES with this monthly close on this hammer. The weekly, 2 up on the weekly, 12-day, inside 12-day. The 6-day, 2-2 continuation to the upside. 4-day, 3-2 continuation. Looking for a 3-2-2 continuation on the 4-day. The 3-day, 2-2 up. 2-day, same. And the daily as well. Same for NQ. We're looking to take out the target the monthly open, and then also previous month high, which is also all-time highs. For the Qs, same thing. So probably not just gonna run through it too much. For this, all-time highs is still at 637.01. So if we continue to be bullish, we'll be aiming for, of course, the highs. IWM is a failed 2 down hammer on the monthly, so it's pretty much the same. All-time highs are still at 252.77. So go down to the lower time frames. Indices are pretty much mimicking each other as far as setups are concerned. There is a bullish outside 3, looking for a 3-2 continuation on the 6-day on IWM, so that is a bit strong. Here's a 2 up on the 4-day that closed very strong, so looking to push through all-time highs on IWM. DIA monthly closed more as a doji. All-time highs are still at 484.40. We jump down to the weekly. We did close as a 2 up on the weekly. 12-day. 12-day closed as a bearish outside hammer on the 12-day. So 12-day looking a tad bit weaker than the rest of the 12-day indices. go down to the 6-day, fell to down on the 6-day. The 4-day closed as a 2 up on the 4-day, 3-day, 2 continuation on the 3-day. Same for the 2-day, and as well as the daily time frame. Continuity is primarily bullish, so we will play what we know. Now the DIA has closed over its monthly open and is looking to take out its previous month highs. So this could be actually a good thing, as IWM, if we go back, you'll see, oh, it has taken its monthly open. I'm sorry. It's looking to take out its monthly high as well. Okay, so everyone is still in line. My bad. SMH, same rules apply. Monthly hammer down to the weekly, 2 up on the weekly. All-time highs are still at 372.78. So looking to aim for those until otherwise. So XLB on the monthly is a fail to down. The weekly is a 2 up on the weekly. The 12-day is a 2 up hammer. The 6-day is bullish outside. Bullish outside 6 days. So looking to take this to 3-2 up continuation to take out previous month high, and I would also like for it to sweep to 92.86. Which coincide with some equal highs here. So looking to target that on XLB. We go down 2 continuation on the 4-day, 3-day, same 3-2 and 2 continuation on the 2-day, and the daily as well. Full time frame continuity is to the upside, so XLB is looking bullish. The monthly on XLC is a fail to down hammer. We swept these lows and pushed back up. In the weekly, 2 up on the weekly. After sweeping this 109 and finding some support there. 12-day, fail to down hammer on the 12-day. 6-day, bullish hammer. 6-day, looking for a 3-2 up, looking to take out 117.24 and then 118.39 and then all-time highs. 4-day, 2 continuation, 3-day, 3-2 up, 2-day, 2 continuation to the upside, and the daily as well. So full time frame continuity outside of the inside, besides, I should say, I don't want to confuse nobody. Besides the inside quarter, time frame continuity is looking bullish for XLC. XLE, y'all know how this thing get down. But it's been doing okay. XLE 2 up close on the monthly. We did find some rejection at 92.43 and pulled back. Same rejection that we had here back in September. So the weekly is a fail 2 down on the weekly. The 12-day is a fail 2 up on the 12-day, and a 6-day a fail 2 down on the 6-day. Hey man, y'all know how this thing do. So it has been having some issues here in this 91, 92 area. So just watch for that. If you go down to the lower time frame, maybe if you want to go down to the 4-hour and look for some displacement out of this, maybe over 91, 94, and target 93.20. That'll probably be safe because yeah, XLE will make you think it's doing one thing and do another. So I would personally come down to a lower time frame, probably here, and look for a strong candle close above 91.55 or wait on 94 and take it to 93.20. Time frame continuity is to the full. Is up to the bull side. So, yeah, it's XLE. XLF on the monthly is a fail to down on the monthly. Finding support off this Barney formation that I had, and so we pushed back up. It's a 2 up on the weekly. 12-day we are a bullish outside. 12-day looking for a 3-2 up. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't find my words tonight. We are a fail to down on the 6-day. And if you notice in the burn information, the yellow ones are the weekly, the orange ones are the daily, but we are still within the range on XLF. Of course we can play it, but if you have trouble seeing it with your candles, you can do what I just did, turn it into a line graph, and you can see, even if I turn off my indicators. See? A lot of these things are still in ranges, and so we play them. But yeah. Looking for a 3-2 up on the 6-day for XLF, 2-2 continuation to the upside. 3-day, same. 2-day, same. 2-2 continuation to the upside, and the daily as well. I would like to see a close above the previous month's high at 54.07 and take out all-time highs. Time frame continuity is mainly bullish, so yeah. XLI on the monthly, like everything else, is a hammer on the monthly. The weekly, we drop down to the weekly. We are 2 up on the weekly. All-time highs is still at 156.99, so aiming for that until proven otherwise. We can look down on the 6-day. We are hammer on the 6-day. The 4-day, 2 up on the 4-day. The 3-day as well. We did sweep. We got this sweep right here that I drew out, and we didn't quite tap the bottom of this Barney formation, but close enough, because we did tap 147, which was previous week's low, and also it lines up with the 6-month open, 147.16, 147.14. So this is a key area. Like I said, we got the sweep, so what more could we ask for? Now we're pushing up off of it and looking to take out all-time highs with this. So XLI is not looking bad. Actually, none of these are really looking bad. I am just going to wait because all these sectors look too good to be true. I would like to wait and let the holidays settle in. Let the market makers come back and let them tell us which way they want to persuade the market, and we'll go from there. But playing what's in front of me, if you've been following, so far all these sectors are looking bullish and have quote unquote found their bottom. But we play what we know to be true. So on the daily, 2-2 continuation to the upside, like I say, looking to take out the monthly open and all-time highs at 156.99, rounded up 157, psychological number, and watch for reversals there. XLK was one of the ones that looked the weakest out of everything to me, although everything looks great. This one looks the weakest. The monthly, as you can see, a bit more bearish than everything else so far. The weekly is inside and not a two up like the other sectors we've looked at, so that's something to pay attention to. We skipped the 12-day. The 12-day is a two down hammer. The 6-day is a failed two down hammer on the 6-day. The 4-day is an inside 4-day. 3-day inside. 2-day is a gap up, two up. And the daily is 2-2 continuation to the upside. So it is bullish, but it is lagging. Tech is lagging behind so far. Look like everything else. We are still in a broadening formation, and we do have to take our previous week high at 288.57. Yeah, to get out of this mother bar here. Time frame continuity is primarily bullish, but a bit mixed. So watch out for that. XLP on the monthly, look at this monthly. It closed as a failed to down on the monthlies. Kind of fire. Didn't quite get the sweep, but good enough for now. The weekly closed very well. 2-2 continuation to the upside on the weekly. The 12-day, 2 up. 6-day, 2 up, 6-day. I like this. We got the sweep of, we did get the sweep of the broadening here of this low, and now we're pushing up. We're back above the yearly open, and we're headed for 50% of the previous year. So we're back green on the year. We're back green on everything except the 6 month look like. So XLP don't look too bad. 3-2 continuation to the upside. 3-day, 2-2 continuation. 2-day, 2-1-2 continuation to the upside, and the daily 2-2 continuation to the upside. Time frame continuity, like I said, bullish. So watch out for XLP. It's looking pretty good. I would aim for 50% of the previous year, and then also the monthly high at 80.25. XHB on the monthly. XHB on the monthly is a failed two down hammer on the monthly. And we also, before I go any further, let me cut off my indicators. If you draw your fibs, I had already drawn this out from this low to this swing high. We have hit OTE on the monthly, like almost to the T at 98.27, and we have found some buyers there. So this looks great. So we are looking to, off the monthly, your monthly target will be 120.58 from here, the monthly target. But if we go down to the weekly, we are a 2 up on a weekly. We hammered off the broadening. We got the sweep of this low, aggressive push up off the weekly. 12-day, we are a bullish outside 12-day, looking for a 3-2 continuation to the upside. 6-day is a 2 up. 4-day, 2-2 continuation to the upside. 3-day, same, right off the bottom. 2-day, look at the 2-day. Look at that V-shaped recovery off the 2-day to the upside. I would like a close above the 3-month open at 110.85, and I'll take it to $3 move to previous month's high, 113.05. Daily, daily gives you an entry inside day on the daily. So I would take this off the daily. And or like I said, you want an early entry and get a starter here, or you want to wait for that 110.05 close above to take it to 113. That'll be cool too. Not bad. I like XHB. I like that. Real estate, we still compressed, but it had a good week. I ain't gonna dwell too much on it because I know y'all don't care, but I'm telling y'all, if home builders and what was it? XLB? No, it was something else. But if home builders been looking good, which they have, like we just said, they off of OTE. Real estate is waiting. It's just, yes, it's still in this compression. It's still in our little box, but as you can see, it had a good week. But we'll keep it pushing. XLU utilities on the monthly and close inside month. Actually a nice hammer on the month. Not too bad. All-time highs are still at 93.77. So we'll look out for that. 2 up on the weekly. Let me see if we draw our field. Did I cut my magnet off? I did. Let's see something. Okay, so we got 50%, not quite OTE, but that's not too bad. Because we tapped into the breaker structure on the weekly, tested it, and pushed back out of it on XLU. So looking to take out these highs and hit all-time highs at 93.77 on that one. 6 day, 1-3 on the 6 day. Looking for a 1-3-2 up. I like this. That looks good. 4 day, 2 up on the 4 day. 3 day, 2 up on the 3 day. 2 day, 2 up. In the daily 2-2 continuation. XLU looks good. Full-time frame continuity to the upside. XLV, not gonna spend no time on that. Shout out to XLV. If you have been following me since August, shout out to you. You've made money on XLV. I have been, we have been talking about XLV since August, how, it lines up with seasonality, and we just had all the confluences way back in August. So now we're just a few dollars away from the all-time highs. So shout out to you caught this candle here, our August candle. This one I started Sundays are for sectors back in August, and that was the first thing I talked about, XLV, and here we are. So congrats. XLY, we are a hammer at the top of a Barney. All-time highs. We wicked it this month, barely missed it by a cent or two. What was the high this month? 242.99, and all-time highs is 243.40. So barely got all-time highs here on this month. So we're closing the monthly like that. We are 2 up on the weekly. Did get the sweep of these lows. And this one as well, the October 6th low. Found some support here at previous week's low at 220.93 and have been pushing up ever since. So if everything remains bullish, we're looking to test all-time highs again at 243.40 for XLY. 6 day, 4 day, 2 up on the 4 day. 3-day, 2-2 continuation on the 2-day, and the daily as well. Time frame continuity is a big mix with this monthly and the inside quarter, but looking bullish to me. I would like for it to get over the 3-month open at 239.23 and then take it to all-time highs. And last but not least, XME, baby. XME is another one of the favorites I have on the list. I do like this fail to down hammer on the monthly, weekend off this Barnett formation, this old Barnett formation I got. We jump down to the weekly. The weekly is a 2 up in force on the weekly, a nice displacement candle and above a old Barnett formation that I had. All-time highs are still at 111.09, so we still have some room. XME is at 97.09, so this has some room to play. Our first target could be 102.13, and then all-time highs. Jump down to the 6-day. 6 days, a failed 2-down hammer. 4-day is a strong 4-day close. 3-day. 3-2 up on the 3-day, 2-day, 2-2 continuation to the upside, and the daily as well, 2-2 continuation to the upside. Full time frame continuity, you see it. XME looks great. There is a gap here that needs to be filled. There's another one here. There's quite a few gaps to the upside, so liking XME. Like I say, there's some targets in between 111 that you can take here. So this one still has some room to grow. Unlike a lot of the other ones that are just a few dollars off from their all-time high. So not much bang for your buck right now, but XME is one of the ones that you can play from here. So yeah. Drop your favorite sectors below. Mine are XME, XHB, XLC, XLB, and XLP. We'll throw XLP on there. So let me know what you guys' favorite tickers are in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know you got it all the way to the end. I hope this was quick enough for you guys. We are going to go over the indices a bit more throughout the week. We want to let the turkey settle in. So play what you know to be true. Make sure you guys mark in your levels. Let's have a great trading week. Let me know you got to the end by putting Cyber Monday in the chat. I hope you guys got some value out of Black Friday. I know I did. I got a couple of things for my office, for my trading office, and things are looking great. So Cyber Monday, I hope you catch a sale Cyber Monday. Put Cyber Monday in the chat. And as always, Sundays are for sectors. See you next Sundays, guys. Peace.